Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So the market very choppy today, coming up to yesterday's highs and then coming down to yesterday's lows. Where exactly are we headed in the market? I'm going to show you guys exactly how today played out, what kind of momentum we have in the market, and what exactly we're looking for to get more momentum in the market if we do continue on down. What exact levels are we trying to hold? And all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button. And I do welcome you to the Instables room in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over the 5-minute chart with you guys here on the S&P 500 so you guys can see exactly how the last few days have been playing out, and then I'm going to show you guys the 4-hour chart so you guys can see how the overall picture does look and what exactly we're looking for in the market. And again, if you happen to be looking for intraday perspective breakouts, I know the market has been very choppy. Most breakouts have been pre-market news and open. We mentioned pre-market news before market open every single day. Go to instables.com in the description below and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So as you guys can see here on the 5-minute chart within the last few days, as you guys can see on Monday, we came down to 422. This is our lows of the week. This is exactly where we did sell off to, came down to this level. We did mention this about a week ago. Again, we do have our FOMC rates meeting going to next week on Wednesday, so that's going to be very key as well. So a couple things can happen here in my opinion. Either we do continue on down, which a lot of people are expecting for us to do, and have a major correction, a possible 10% to 15% correction. Now, if we do continue on down, I will be looking to see if we can hold over 422. And as you guys can see, we did hold this very strong level at 422. We were looking to see if we can continue on up. As you guys can see, we did get a bounce here from this very strong level. We did have an invert head and shoulder. We did mention this on Monday, and as you guys can see, we did play out. We were looking to see if we can continue with this invert head and shoulder, but again, we were leading into Jerome Powell on Wednesday, so again, we did not have that continuation. We did come back down, and we were looking to see if we can break out of this consolidation and break into new highs. Again, we did break new highs from our invert head and shoulder that we had on Monday, and as you guys can see, we came up to this level that we had previous consolidation from, but we could not break above that as Powell came out and gave us a hawkish response, showing us that we could possibly continue on down. We are overall looking to see if we can hold this level here. So I'm going to jump back to the 4-hour chart so you guys can see exactly what we're looking for. Overall, as you guys can see, we have been continuing on down. Again, we do have a large emotional reaction to the downside. We are consolidating here, showing us that we could have a large emotional reaction to the downside again. Looking to see if we can hold our next level here that we mentioned yesterday at 415. And then we have a next level at 400 and our last level at 390. That was measured on the VPBR in yesterday's video. So overall, again, if we do continue on down with this consolidation, we have a next level here at 415. And then we have our next level at 400 after that if we do continue on down. Our last level and our strongest level that I mentioned on the VPBR that we have at 390. As you guys can see, we had a lot of consolidation and a continuation from here on the SPY. So again, we will be looking for those bounces if we do happen to continue on down. But again, no surprise here if we do get some type of bounce. So again, today we had a bounce and we did continue on down and we were consolidating, looking to see if we can hold yesterday's lows. And if we cannot hold 428, then we will be testing 422 to see if we can hold. And if we do drop down below 422, then we will be looking to see if we can hold those larger time frames at 415, 400, and 390. Or we do continue on with this consolidation and we do bounce from this level that we had from yesterday's lows, and we do get more confidence in the market and we do break over 440 and look to see if we can hold our highs that we had from Wednesday with Powell at 443. And again, we do have our previous consolidation now. We will be looking to see if we can break above, and in my opinion, we are back in the game if we can break over 450 if we happen to have a reversal here. But again, I would be careful as again, as you guys can see on the 4-hour chart, we do have this large emotional reaction to the downside. We do need a little bit more consolidation to break out of this reaction. So again, with that said, if you happen to be looking for intraday perspective breakouts, go to instables.com in the description below and you will never miss a breakout alert. Again, we mentioned pre-market news before market open every single day, or any major breakout alerts worth looking at today. Today, a crazy one came out with INDO. If you guys did see that one was crazy. It broke out from $5.30 we mentioned all up to $8.30. Definitely mentioned high risk as it was up 100%, but these are the type of breakouts that we mentioned throughout the day. Go to instables.com in the description below and you will never miss a breakout alert again. And all of you instables that have been supporting the channel, all of you instables that have been come over from the room and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys every single day. I know the market's very choppy. Let the opportunity come to us, and we will have those major long plays and swing plays soon to come. And intraday will find its way when it does get momentum in the market. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help with their finding, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.